Hi everyone, Peace Inspires here. I just wanted to share something very briefly with you guys that can save somebody's life. Um, I am a registered nurse and I currently work in a cardiac surveillance unit. So we do see a lot of patients come in with signs of stroke or come in with complaints of signs and symptoms of stroke. And going on for days, 3, 4 days, and they stay home and wish it would go away. Okay, so let's get into it. There's an acronym. I'm going to make this layman terms, no big medical thing here. But anyway, the acronym that we use for stroke, to identify signs of stroke, the B FAST, okay? FAST, FAST. F stands for the face, okay? A stands for the arms. S is for speech, and T is time. All right. So if you notice you're having a facial droop, okay, or unequal smile, or you see someone that you know just having their faces droop to one side, something is not right. They need to get help right away. Okay. Also, you can also see if somebody's having some kind of vision problem. It could be some people see lights or stars, or all of a sudden their vision problem, facial droop, unequal smile. Please get help. All right. The arms, suddenly there's weakness in one side. It could be any side of the arms. You're having a tingling sensation, numbness. You pick up something, you drop it. There's weakness in one side of your arm. Get help, okay? And for the speech, which is the S, all of a sudden somebody's having a slurred speech. They want to say something, the words are not coming out, or it's coming out in a very unusual way. Something is not right. And the T stands for time. Time is very, very, very crucial. Okay? Time is crucial when it comes to stroke. Please, 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 people, share this. Educate your family, educate your parents, educate your friends in the community. I have noticed there's probably not enough information. I don't know what it is, but we constantly see people coming in with having signs of stroke for 3, 4 days, weeks, and they sit at home and just take a nap and wish it would go away. Okay, so I just want to make this video because this has bothered me, and I said I'm gonna do something about it. If I reach just one person, that's enough. So remember the acronym FAST. Okay, FAST. F for the face. Any facial droop, any unequal smile, please get help. Call help for somebody. Any weakness in the arm, numbness, tingling, loss of balance. You pick up something, you drop it. You can't write. Out of a sudden, you can't write. Something is not right. Okay? If your speech is funny, is slurred, you're having words jumbled all together, something is going on in the brain. All right? And time, I'll tell you, a long-term effect of stroke can be reversed or significantly reduced if treatment is started within 3 hours. And if you come in after that, then it's too late. Okay? Just go get checked out. Call 911. It is an emergency. Stroke is an emergency. If you get there and they assess you and it's not stroke, you go home. But what if it is? Okay, so please help me share this video. Talk to your family members, talk to your friends, educate them on Be Fast. Okay, one life at a time we save means a lot. So thank you so much, and remember, fast. The face, the arm, your speech, and time. God bless you.